Hey y'all, coming to you with another great review from the company Vevor, V-E-V-O-R. This is the 8-in-1 heat press combo. It did come in a nice big box that was packaged up great. It had everything that I needed to do tumblers and mugs and plates and shirts. At the very bottom of the box was the actual heat press unit. We put on the feet so it would suction cup to the tables and not move around on us. And the first thing I wanted to do was a t-shirt, so I got the design all spaced out and where it needed to go. And then there's the power switch, and it does beep when it comes on to tell you that it's on. You push the set button once, and then you can change the temperature. You push it again, and then you can change it to the time that you need it to press for. And then once it's ready and heated up, it will let you know. It has the nice swing away, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about burning your hands when you put the t-shirt or the bag or whatever you are pressing. You bring it back around. You can adjust the pressure at the top, either up or down to make it tighter, depending on how thick the garment is or the bag that you're trying to heat press. And then I just left it on for the time that I needed, and it was perfect. And then I slid it off of there, and then I would plug in the next unit that it came with, which was the tumbler press, and I opted to put the bigger one on at first because I wanted to do the 20-ounce skinny tumbler. I usually set these for about 360 degrees, and then I usually press it for at least a minute. Definitely put on some gloves. I used my dad's welding gloves because it does get very, very hot. So I put it in there, and then I pressed it, and then I turned it around, a half a turn to make sure it got all of the design pressed onto it. And then, like I said, I used a glove and let it cool and peeled off the paper, and it was absolutely perfect. Definitely vibrant and great colors. And then I decided to take the top piece off because you can use this right here to sublimate different plates, like a little saucer plate. And again, you can adjust the pressure to whatever you need it to be on for the plate and for the design and the thickness of the plate that you need. Then you can take off the bottom plate and then slide on the heat press for the hats, and it fits perfectly on that form, so you can lower it down, and then you can press the design onto a hat as well with your... We did get this for free for our honest and unbiased review, and I could definitely tell you that with all these different attachments, I'm really going to stay busy, and I absolutely love this and would definitely recommend it.